Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to perform a Windows clean boot if Roblox just crashed. So after you go to the search bar and search run, you're gonna click on it, and after that you're gonna see this tab and you're gonna type msconfig just like this, and click OK. You're gonna see this tab, and then you're gonna go to services, hide all Microsoft services, and then disable all. After that you're gonna click on OK and go to after that you're gonna go to setup, and go to task manager, and after that you're gonna select each one enabled and disable it. And then you're gonna repeat that process. After restarting, you're gonna restart the PC and then repeat that process. You're gonna restart the PC and then go to run again and go to msconfig just like this, and now we're gonna go to services and enable all just like this, and then we're gonna go, and that is it.